Come on, guys, go. This is incredibly gorgeous. I'm throwing rocks for no reason. Let's walk. So beautiful. Come on, guys, go over here. See what's in over here. 2-5. 15 minutes in. It's all muddy. Oh, it's all mud. Watch out, guys, watch out. It's wild. Place is so beautiful. Apparently this is barbed wire from like the 1870s when a railroad was created over here. Yeah, think about that. Barbed wire from the 1870s. Go that way. Absolute beauty right here. Nothing's more beautiful than, you know, the woods in North Georgia. Offers so much.